Hey boys and girls, today I'm going to teach you a new shape. Are you excited? Oh my gosh, it's the last shape I'm going to teach you. So I hope you remember it. Before we get to it though, I want to see if you can remember the other shapes we've learned. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. What shape is this? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it is a hexagon. Yay! What shape is this? It has 4 sides that aren't equal. The corners look like L's. It's a rectangle. What shape is this? It has 3 sides and 3 corners, so it must be a triangle. And next, what shape is this? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same, so it must be a square. And remember, a square is a fancy rectangle because it has all the same properties as a rectangle, 4 sides, 4 corners that look like L's. But the only thing that makes him special is the fact that all the sides are the same. So he's a rectangle, but he's a fancy rectangle called a square. Very cool. And what shape is this that's one curved line all the way around? Yeah, it's a circle. And we learned about a shape yesterday that has a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom, and it's round all the way around. Do you remember what that's called? It's a cylinder. Now, what shape is this that's a ball and it's round all the way around? There's no points, no corners. What is it? It's a sphere. What shape is this that has squares all around it and corners called vertices and edges? It's a cube. Cube. And now, our main event, the shape you have been waiting for. What I want you to know by the end of this lesson is what this is. This is a cone. Say hi, cone. Yeah, it kind of looks like an ice cream cone. Yummy. So it has a circle on the top and it's flat, a flat circle. And then on the other side, there's a point, pink, 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 a point right there. And it's round all the way around. And look, it starts big and it gets smaller, 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 and it ends at a point. So remember, a cone has a circle on the bottom, a point on the top, and it's round all the way around. That is a cone. How exciting! So I'm going to hide it for a second. See if you can remember what it is. What is it? A cone! Yeah! What is it? Still a cone, even though it's upside down. Look, it kind of also looks like a birthday hat. So a cone can look like an ice cream cone, or it can look like a birthday hat. Can you think of some other things that look like cones? What about a megaphone? Hello, hello! Megaphones look like cones. Yeah, there's a whole lot of things out there that look like cones. Can you find one in your house and show it to me? Might be kind of tricky. It's not as easy as a cylinder or a sphere or a cube. But I know that you're awesome hunters and you can find something. And if you can't find one, maybe you could make one out of paper. All right, give it a try, boys and girls. Go find that cone, cone, cone. Circle on the top and a point on the other side. Flat circle. Pink, 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 point. You got it.